Yeah, here we have the Milwaukee 4210 fixed base electromagnetic drill press. And we're going to fire it up for you and just show you that it does operate. It's in really good condition. Turn on the magnet first. Alright, we check the magnet. Magnet operates very nicely. It's a variable speed. What we'll do is we'll go over here, we'll hit that green button there. Alright, that's the forward. Restop. We'll go in a reverse direction. Shut the machine off. Alright, so we tested all the functions on here. Everything appears to operate very nicely, electrically and mechanically. Like I said, it's got a little paint chip right there. That's about it. Turn to the other side. Very nice condition. What we'll do is when we ship this, we'll ship it in 2 separate boxes. We're going to pull the motor from the base and ship it separately. The reason being is because we don't want any shipping damage done. This is also includes a tie down chain, the drill chuck, the key, and the hold down clamp.